Check it out, boys. Lesson, pal. Doing a little aluminum siding here today, Budski. Already had the boys shingle this roof off. Smoother than the backside, pal. Fresh steps running up the walls here, boys. So basically we're going to do a counter flashing. It's going to cover up the steps, tie into our siding. It's going to have a built-in J-channel. Weep her out like a willow, pal. Swish. Anyways, boys, let's do it. There she is, boys. Counter flashing, built-in 5/8 J-channel, pal. One piece. Drill this, have her weeping like a willa, pal. Carry on.